Figures from the World Health Organization indicate that about $75 billion is earned annually through counterfeit drugs. According to healthcare professionals, this menace is inimical to quality healthcare delivery. Although the Food and Drugs Authority carries out post-market surveillance on a regular basis, the ordinary Ghanaian still seems to be at risk as fake drugs make their way onto the market.
Sometimes with your naked eye, you may not be able to determine that this is a fake medicine until you have administered it to a patient. And assuming that you have a patient who is bleeding and you are giving a medication that should stop the bleeding and it's not stopping, it is about life and death.
The head of drug enforcement of the FDA, Thomas Amedro, says persons who deal in fake drugs are becoming smarter, and there is the need to use more sophisticated means to tackle this act. He disclosed that the FDA has begun an instant detection exercise which enables them to check the originality of drugs even before subjecting them to laboratory tests.
So now we are acquiring on-the-spot gadgets for on-the-spot check, quick preliminary assessment. So we have some devices where you feed in the fingerprints of the known medicine, and so on the spot you can put it in and check whether the active ingredient is there or not. So you can conclude if there, because some of the products we detected on the market don't even have any active ingredient at all. So right on the spot, the regulator can detect that one.
Thomas Amedro also responded to concerns about why Ghana has not adopted the M-Pedigree innovation, which enables consumers to check the quality of drugs.
What they do is that they put the security code on it. So when the person purchases it, he scratches and he can call to confirm whether that product actually came from that manufacturer, right? So that way he can check if somebody is faking that manufacturer's product, he can control it. But then if that manufacturer's product happens to be substandard, then that one there's no way you can tell, because some manufacturers either knowingly or unknowingly themselves also put substandard products on the market. But if that manufacturer's product is being fake, yes. But if it's substandard, it cannot tell.
Already, some anti-malaria drugs are undergoing laboratory tests to confirm their efficacy. The general public has also been urged to collaborate with the FDA to ensure that fake drugs are flushed out of the country. Priscilla Selinam Suga, reporting for Valsat One News, Accra.